Do you want to become the most productive and driven person in the room? I have just the app for you. Minimalist Phone app is a screen time control app that goes beyond just blocking apps. It treats the problem from the root. The goal of all social media apps is to get you addicted. The notification pings, colorful icons, algorithms, all to make you scroll uncontrollably. By the time you leave the app, your brain is tired, unproductive, and has no motivation for anything else. Not anymore. The Minimalist Phone app helps break these habits and patterns so that you use your phone only as a tool. Just look at this interface. It's so simple and non-stimulating. It lets you put limits to your app usage, block and hide apps, and takes away all the things that stimulate, aka drain your brain of all that energy that was yours before the apps took over. But you still get to keep all the useful apps. Try it for free.